what goes on behind the scenes around here or how many times it takes to get that best shot, we hope you enjoyed these goof ups just as much as we did.
I'm not breathing, which I'm doing. That's me. Okay. I'm gonna do it better this time. Okay. Sorry.
Those guys.
No, just kidding. That was horrible.
That might not be the healthiest. Woo, 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 woo. That's woo, 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 woo. Oh my gosh.
And here, you know what? You could even do it.
Yeah,
it's not
let
that,
me do it.
It's not that heavy. Maybe it is that heavy. I don't know. Don't... Not that heavy. Just trying to do it in heels too. Almost. I got it. Half heels. Wow, this is great. Here, this.
I don't got it. I don't got it. I thought I got it.
We need to put Misty on the apple box.
Do you want me to take off my shoes? I can just take off my shoes.
I even have my 3-inch tennis shoes on.
If you don't already have a multimeter, sorry,